Hi everyone, it's Peter Zellums, Griniflix Adventure 8. Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Vamos e-bike. In fact, it's a trike. Yes, 3 wheels. Papa Grande is the name of the model. Very popular. I have reviewed this bike in the past, but this is the latest model, 2025. Alright, so I'll need some tools to start this unboxing process. I've got a set of Allen keys, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a knife to cut into the box. I've got some clippers here to cut cable ties, and scissors. So basically they are the only tools that I need, I believe, and we'll start the process. So here we go, we've got the trike mostly assembled, and a box, and some wheels. Okay, so we'll just tackle this in a systematic manner, and then we'll continue with the setup of the trike. So if you just do it slowly and steadily, then you don't make any mistakes. Alright, so we've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay, we've got that. These look like bags, so I'll put those down here for us now. Alright, we've got the famous Vamos box, and in here we've got some instruction manuals. We've got the Vamos famous key ring, cable ties, little extension cord for the lights probably, battery, charger, we've got a headlight here and reflector, so that will go there. We do have a multi-tool, which is good, so it's got actually Allen keys on here. I do have my other Allen keys as a spare. You've got another multi-tool here, and you need that for the foot pegs. You've got the 2 foot pegs, and then you've also got an additional spanner. That's usually for an axle or something like that. Okay, so we can put that aside for now as well. So we've got a steering stem here that is foldable, and what we'll do is we'll put in the handlebars into the steering stem as a starting point, and that way the handlebar's in the right position. The handlebar steering stem here does have a groove in it, so just a matter of lining up with the groove, and the groove is there. And so that might be just a case of undoing the clamp first to relieve the pressure, and then we can slide those handlebars in and then do up the clamp, and then that's all ready to go. Okay, so we haven't locked it down yet, and then we can just lock it in place, and that's good. That's good. So far, so good. That's good. All very good. So just a matter of putting on the front axle now. An empty box here, which is possibly just the right size to hold up the front. We've got a bolt and nut here on both sides, and that's going to be to hold the fender. And then also a bolt up here, which will probably hold the top of the fender. I think we probably need to do the fender before we do the wheel. Alright, so our fender will fit in there. That will be the mounting points over there. And that should be like that. Okay. What have we got here? Ah, okay, that just slides out. And now we should have it ready for the wheel to go in. Okay. Right, so on the disc here, there is a little pad. And that pad is where the disc would go. And I think the reason why it's there so that these pads don't get squeezed in transit or while during assembly. So you've got to take that little pad out, that little disc pad. Take that out. Don't squeeze the brake pedal, the brake lever here. And that way the gap is already there for the disc of the wheel to go in there. There we go. And we need to just loosen that off on both sides. We slide that in and slide it into the disc caliper. So that's good, that's lined up. Keep the washer on the outside next to the nut on both sides. And once you screw in the bolts a little bit more, head of the nut is also stopping it from falling out. Oh, just a quick note, while you're watching this video, I'm not sure whether you knew, but I'm associated with a number of companies, and those companies can provide discounts to my viewers and subscribers. So all you need to do is go to adventurate.com.au, just click on the website. Yes, just go shop discounts and you find all the different companies that I'm associated with. So for example, SWYFTX, so you can set up a crypto exchange and get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. iTECHWORLD for camping, lithium batteries, backup systems for your home. REDTIGER for dash cams, Vamos electric bikes, and all sorts of different discount levels are available, and there are discount codes associated with each one of those, whether it be Adventurate or something else. So just go to the website. I hope you can take advantage of the discounts, and back to the video. Okay, we're good. So I've got my 15mm spanner. Is that the right one? Yep, that's the right one. So I'm going to do one side up and I'll do the other side up. We've also got the rack here, and that's going to go on the front of the bike there, and it's got an attachment for the light at the very front. We will finish off the fender. There's my extension cord for the light. So we can now do up the fender, so we have that correctly done. Good. That's about right. That's good. That all looks, the wheel is rotating freely and the fender is on firm. Perfect. Okay, let's do the rack next. That rotates freely. Now we can do the light. Right, so I need the extension cord that's in here and also the cable ties. The Vamos light will fit on the front of the rack. In this case here, because the mount is at right angles, I'm going to take that off and I'll attach this directly to the mount that's here. So I can just do that up for now. Tight enough so that I can just adjust the light by hand position later on. Okay, so that just is nice and firm. I can adjust the angle. That's good. The reflector is working as well. And now we can connect the cables here. There is a little groove there in the slot. It is a 3-pin slot, so just got to line everything up. And that connects. And also on this one here, I do the same thing. And that connects. That's looking good. The excess cable, I can just again put some cable ties around here so that it doesn't get caught up on anything. Now we're going to put on the drink holder. Okay, there's your drink holder. And the last thing, the pedals. There will be a little R on one pedal for the right side and a little L for the other side on the other pedal. The left-hand side will have a left-hand thread on the bolt here, and the right-hand side will have a right-hand thread. So just make it in the right side to the right and the left side to the left. So yeah, so being a left-hand thread, you're rotating in the opposite direction to what you would normally rotate to get the pedal in. And then that's it. That's all good to go. So you can see that the whole process has been pretty painless and pretty straightforward, which is great. So just a few items to assemble and everything comes together nice and neat. I think that's it. I can't see anything else. We just need to pump up the tires and I think we're ready to go. So the next video will be the review of this bike, and I'll be riding around Sydney. And then I'll be going through all the details on this bike, things like hydraulic brakes, disc brakes, low maintenance, power, the gear system that you have on here, the 8 gears, your throttle control, the power adjustment that you can have. So there's a lot to go through the bike, and I'll be doing that review in the next video. Vamos are giving viewers of my channel and subscribers an additional discount. If you use the Adventure 8 discount code, you'll get a free combination chain lock for your bike, plus free delivery when ordering a Vamos e-bike. Any e-bike or the trike, combination chain lock and free delivery. That's worth at least a few $100. Details will be in the video and also in the description. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up. That's how you support the channel as well. If it's the first time to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe, press notifications. You'll be notified when the next video is out. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers, bye.